Well, it's here. So I think we're going to take a look at this here first. The pulley upgrade system. I'm shocked it actually came here pretty quick. That was actually super quick. And the shipping actually impressed me. Came from the United States, and it came before it was supposed to actually get here. But yeah, we're going to take a look at this here. Yeah. But I figured I better purchase one. I did want to make this on my own. But the funny thing is, to buy the metal, it would actually cost way more than to purchase this full unit, which it should be the reverse. You know, I don't know. It's getting ridiculous these days. But yeah, this was actually way cheaper. It was on sale, and cheaper than if I had to purchase the metal and everything else that it came with. So yeah, we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to take it out of the box and see how it is. Yeah, so here it is all out of the box, the full kit. Here we got the top cover that will go over the pulley so you don't get your fingers munched. Oh good, it's got that there for the spindle lock handle. It's just some sort of plastic. It'll do the job. And you got the True Flex belt. It's just a tiny little thing. See how well this holds up in the future. Looks like we got all the hardware we need. Looks like we got all the screws. And an adjusting lever for when you're changing the belt. And you have the spindle pulley, which is, ooh, that's kind of sharp. Well, it looks like it was CNC'd. It hasn't been deburred or anything. That's razor sharp. So we're going to have to, oh yeah, it's razor sharp. We're going to have to do some deburring on this before I put it on. So that's going to take some time. But we got the motor pulley. Yeah, all looks good. You got your keyway in there. Yeah. Definitely has to be deburred. It's like razor sharp. I wonder why they didn't deburr it. Huh. Well, there's your pulleys. And here we have, yeah, I will just adjust the tension on the belt here. You can change to high and low. So, looks like it's all here, but that is razor sharp. That's going to slice my finger if I run it across there. But, yeah. Just, oh, that'll be to hold the cover on, I guess. But let's hope the bar fits through here. It's a shame, though. I wanted to actually make one of these on my own just because it was simple enough to do. Could have did the pulleys on the mini lathe. Could have did this. Just because it's small enough. But it's quite thin too, so it's a shame. Just to get the metal, purchase the metal, and all the hardware, it would have cost me more money. Don't understand. So I was better off that I just bought this. So, and I needed it, so got to get it done somehow. Yeah, I can't believe the cost of what those metal stores are charging these days just for tiny pieces. It's unbelievable. I can actually do better from my local metal dealer. Yeah, unreal. I could not believe it. That's why I purchased this whole kit because it made no sense in buying the metal. And I was kind of in a rush, so it looks good. Oh, you think they would have cleaned that up before they shipped that out? Yeah, that's just raw aluminum, not even turned down or nothing. But yeah, we can clean all that up. Definitely. These edges are going to slice my fingers. It's razor sharp. I don't know if you can see that. That will slice you. Sharper than my razor. All in all, it looks like it'll do the job. I'm kind of excited. These pulleys should actually get rid of that noise from all that gear clacking and grinding and busting and everything else, and probably get rid of a lot of vibration because, like I said, it's not a heavy-duty machine, so anything you can do to dampen any of the vibrations, that's going to help on the cuts. So I'll have to see how the high-speed end mills actually work as compared to the carbide with this on it. So I'm going to get all these deburred. Maybe I'll clean all that up. Yeah, that's strange. You'd think they would have cleaned that off, but oh well. I'll get all this cleaned up, and we'll do the tear down of the head on the mill and see if we can get this thing going. Yeah, so I just had to show these. I was all excited when I got these. Somebody actually gave these to me just the other day, and I'm all excited about it because you don't see these anymore. It's actually, check this out. It's in its original box. I don't know if you can see there. Number 13 4-inch square, double square. Starrett. You definitely don't see these around anymore. But check this out. It's like mint condition too. It's old. Oh yeah. And it actually came with, still in the wrapper, the angle gauge. With the octagon and the hexagon. That's awesome. Yeah, I like stuff like this. And looks like somebody had, well, these are old carbide cutters. But that was, I was shocked when I saw these things. And you definitely don't see these around. This is a Starrett as well. 6-inch rule in a case. It's got the stonewash-like finish to it, so you don't get that glare from the lights. This is Starrett as well. Awesome. And it has all the decimal equivalents, just like the other 6-inch rule I got. Just I don't have to turn it now when it's the lights are shining on it. It's got that stone type finish. And these are in mint condition as well. You don't see these around anymore. Really nice. Yeah. I was all excited when I got this. And they also gave me this here, which I believe they said it came out of the old CNC machines. Really sharp. Could probably get some use out of these. Make a part-off tool. You wouldn't be able to use this on anything else. Must have been for a specialized type of CNC machine. I should ask them. I'm not sure how these blades would have worked. Yeah. Heavy. Well, that was an awesome find. Yeah, the same person also gave me these, which is just awesome. I've been using this little Federal dial, and it's come in quite handy. He gave me this big Federal dial, but it's going to need some work, as you can see. He used to repair these things, so I don't know anything about repairing the dials, but he says I'd be able to repair it on my own. I've never taken one of these apart, so I don't know. I might need his help doing it. And these Federal dials, as far as I know, they were really good back in the day. I haven't had a problem with this little one yet, and it's really precise. So he also gave me these hand taps. Greenfield, I believe it is. I was actually shocked he had these. So a little bit dirty, but would be able to use these as well. So thank you if you're watching. I appreciate that. Yeah, I love the older tools for some reason. Especially like the stuff like this that you don't see too often anymore. That was nice. Starrett double square, 4-inch. Yeah, these are awesome. You get some use out of these. But better get moving on tearing that mill head down so we can get that pulley system on, because I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the gears out of that. I don't want any gear noises or anything like that, and I'm not too sure how that head is actually. I'm pretty sure it's kind of sketchy being what it is, but we could run into problems like always, and it might actually be better maybe leaving one of the shafts in there. I'm not too sure yet. I'm gonna have to take it apart, clean it up, and see. what's going to be better to do. But as far as I know, you could leave those gears in there and just put that pulley system right on. The pulley system shouldn't take long at all to put on there. It's pretty basic, straightforward, but I think I want to get the gears out. So I think we're going to tear the head apart, and we'll take a look at that shredded gear too as well. And yeah, so I know there's a lot of people that are probably watching these videos, and they don't know what they're actually going to get into when they pick up one of these little mini mills. And at least I'll give them an idea of what to expect. Ooh, we got instructions too. I forgot to show that, but I don't think we're going to need those. But yeah, a lot of the people don't know what they're getting into with these little things. They think it's just, let's start hogging metal out. You're not going to be able to do anything like you do on those big mills. So, but, you know, we'll get this fixed up. We'll get our back going. And it should be great. Nice and quiet. No more gear noise. No more pecking away. I got to get this done too. So, yeah, we'll tear this head down. Bye-bye gears.